What's up? For today's video, we don't have internet, so I'm going to take a vlog, and I'm eating my dinner, and then I want you to know if what is my dinner today. So it's very socialistic, and then because toot, toot. Yes, my food is I have here rice. It's very bright. It's very bright. You see? That was the rice, and I have here pork chop. Pork chop. Pork chop. Pork chop charon. Yes, this is my ulam. Ulam. Yeah. Ulam, and then this is my dipping well. My dipping basta. My dipping sauce. Dipping sauce. This is the blended cucumber, and then there's a vinegar. I put a vinegar in the blended cucumber. So you need to see. Yeah. So that one. I don't know if this is okay pa, because this is 3 days ago I blended this. Actually, I eat all day like the I'm sorry guys, I'm Englishing because I have a friends from other country, and then they are speaking English, so that's why I'm speaking in English so that they can understand me. So this is my pork chop charon. This is my ulam. So I will open it. So, okay, pork chop charon. Ang sarap. It's delicious. This pork chop charon is less oily. It is already fried, and the oil is very less. Wait, let's remove the paper and the tag list. The, what do we call this one? You call this ewan ko dyan. So this is the owner. This is the cooker. Ria's special chicharon. Okay. I want you to hear the crispiness of this pork chop charon. Oh my god. The vinegar is, I am coughing. Yes. So let's eat now. This is the rice. It was very tasty, guys. This pork chop charon is I buy in the market. So this is, I don't know if this is matagal na. What is the English of matagal na? So far away. No, it's not so far away, because the smell is like old luma. Yeah, but it's still very delicious, and I'm dipping it to the vinegar with the blended cucumber. Yan. And I have favorite here. I'm looking for my favorite. Ay. Narabig from amin lingkot. This one. There is the lasag. There is what do you call this? Lasag. There is the laman. There is the meat. Mmm. Actually, guys, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. This is only I can afford to buy because the pork chop in the market is very expensive. So I buy this pork chop charon because this is only I can afford. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. I have also here wait, you didn't see. Jam. I have here also the what do we call this? This is the lettuce. Lettuce potato. Ay, potato. Lettuce sweet potato. Yes. And this is our eggplant. Jutes. Eggplant. Yan. We need to partnering our pork chop charon, partnering with the leaves of the lettuce sweet potato, and then with the eggplant, and we putting the fish sauce. Yes, this is fish sauce. I'm putting it now. Yes, it's very delicious. If you want to try, then come here. It was very tasty. Listen. It is very crisp, delicious, and it's very crunchiness. This is the crunchiness of the we called pork chop charon. Yes, pork chop charon. Right? Our lettuce sweet potato. Ugot kamuti. Ugot kamuti, guys. We don't have lettuce. That's why I prepare to eat ugot kamuti. In English is the leaf of the sweet potato. Yeah. And we are eating now the eggplant. This is the eggplant. Let's see if there is a zombie inside. Yes. So I think there is no zombie, but there is a little bit perdi. What is the perdi in English? Destroy? No. There is reject. Reject. Whatever. So let's put the fish sauce. Yes. Let's put the fish sauce so that it will gonna be tasty very well. Mmm. 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 It was really nice, guys. It's very crunchy. Mmm. So if you want to, ano to, sikat? No, wala. I'm just bored. That's why I'm doing this. We don't have internet, guys. So, I only doing this because I'm boring. Ow. Guys, if you want to know my personality, I will introduce to you myself. I am Dino. I am from Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am 28 years old. My height is 5 feet and 4 inches. 5'4" in height. I don't know in basta 5'4" in height. Bahala na kayo. Basta I'm small guy. But my heart is big. My heart is big and my heart is beating. Yes. And then yeah. Masarap lang siya. For more videos, just click and subscribe and click the notification bell button so that you are always updated on my new videos. Sabay ganun. Hindi, wala lang. Charot-charot lang to, guys. It's only charot-charot. Nakaros yung ngalangal ako, guys. So, I'm done my dinner, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'm just only bored. I'm bored lang. I'm bored. Sarap talaga. This is my favorite. Porkchop charon. Ay, malaki. Bye! Bye!